Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your 2021 charms reading for Geminis. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Gemini, this reading is for you. If you know a Gemini, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share, and join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. If you do like, share, and subscribe, friends, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. One random person will be selected. So subscribe, like, and share. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. We'll also take the charms at the end of this reading. So let's see, Geminis, what is the theme of the year 2021 for you, Geminis? What is the theme of the year? Wow, success, the Knight of Wands, and the Four of Pentacles. I do see you are currently this year has been very slow for you, Geminis, or things were not at all going your way. It is like you were keeping your cards close to yourself. You were not feeling very free this year. You were not feeling like things were going your way in 2020. But now, some sort of passion, some sort of confidence is coming your way, Gemini. So you're very, very lucky. Some sort of opportunities are also coming. Excitement, opportunities of work. I also see you taking charge, Gemini. Like you are not going to wait anymore. In 2020, you were waiting. You were feeling a little scared, a little unsure, but 2021, you are sure of what you want and you will go out and achieve it. You are not going to wait. In 2021, theme of the year for Gemini. Wow, Ten of Swords, you are coming out of really, really tough situations. Yes, see, you have been through a massive ending or shifts in 2020. This year has not been easy for you, Geminis, but all that pain, those challenges, they are over. I also see you had money issues or money worries in the year 2020, but you are recovering from also that in this year. Money is coming your way. You're going to fall in love with yourself, Gemini. Someone is also going to value you, or you're going to find a match made in heaven. And I also see you are going to achieve something which you will make you feel very confident, very proud of yourself. So this is a good energy. Like in 2020, there was a lot of self-doubt for you, Gemini. Some ending, some pain, some money worries. But in 2021, you are recovering. You are reaching success, and you are moving forward, taking charge. I also see positive things coming your way, like job offers, or maybe promotions or success. So a lot of self value, self love, and a lot of leadership is there, in 2021, whether it is in career, your love life, or life in general. You're gonna feel very bold, very confident. Let's see your love life, Geminis. Then we're gonna look at your charms also. Love life for Gemini for the year 2021. The sun, wow, the Nine of Wands and the sun. This is beautiful. The five, ooh, the Five of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups. Gemini's Three of Swords, the Lovers, the Page of Six of Wands, and the Page of Wands. Very interesting. So you are dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sag person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini. What will happen in their love life? Wow, I do see you are having some choice this year, friends. You could be dealing with two people, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and an Aries, Leo, Sag person, or you will find a choice of lover this year. I do see you start the year feeling very defensive towards love because you had been through a lot in the past few years, Gemini. Life has not been easy for you, but this is all going to change now, and the sun is going to shine in your love life. I do see someone who was resistant towards your love, or someone, your twin flame, your soulmate, some person who didn't value you. They are going to open up to your love, but you start the year feeling very excited and very positive and bold about your love life, and you may also be keeping people at a distance at the start of the year. You're like, I don't want love. I'm happy being myself. You're having fun. You're enjoying. You feel positive. And I also see that, but someone will be coming. Someone is thinking about you in the first 3 months of this year. I see in the next 3 months, Definitely, someone from the past is returning back. Things are not yet over. This person can't live without you. No matter what they did or whoever they choose, they are coming back because they are missing you. It is a long distance relationship. They want to come back. They want to value you, Geminis. They want to make they want to value you, show you how important you are, and they also want to choose you. But you will feel confused, Geminis, whether to accept this person back or not, because you don't trust them. You don't trust them, and you are not sure they will value you, or they will make things better in your life, or somewhere you have some doubt. Even though they are coming back, you may have other person that you like, so you may think about it. But there are choices in the next 3 months for you. I see mid of the year, this Aries, Leo, Sag person is coming towards you. I do see there will be some heartache and some problems going on mid of the year. You may feel upset with this person, with this past lover or with this current lover. There are choices. I feel like this past lover may hurt you again, and or some past issues which hurts and pain will come up again for discussions in the mid of this year, and it will be all frustrating, confusing. But I see you will make the right choices. I do see, Gemini, you are going to make important and powerful choices, and those choices which will expand your love life. I do see you will choose Aries, Leo, Sag person, or someone who values you and who is trustworthy this year. You are going to choose them. And end of the year, I see that again there is a choice between love, passion. Again there is a choice. I do see that there is a lot of choice. Yeah, this person isn't willing to go away from you. So, Three of Cups, see? I do see there is a lot of friends, a lot of family affecting your love life at the end of the year, Geminis. I see this past person still keeping an eye on you, stalking your social media somehow or the other. They still want to be with you, and but whenever they come back, they keep you waiting. But there is this another person who behaves better with you. It could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aries, Leo, Sag. So you have plenty of choices, and I see you will choose the person who is friendly, who is giving, who is kind, and who gets along well with you, Gemini. So that's the person you are going to choose. You do have important choices in love, Geminis, and because you have started to value yourself, so yay. Let's see some advice and then your charms. Geminis, what's the advice for their love life for Gemini? Solitude, yes, you start the year right now. Also, you are feeling very alone because people left you, there is no one. So, you are feeling a lot of solitude, and also you are gaining a lot of knowledge about yourself, what you like, what you want in love. I also see some of you are trying to do spell works or magic or manifestations this year. Congratulations, you are doing right. Let's see, harmony. Yes, 9 and 6. Look at that. It's like a mirror energy. Look at these numbers, 6 and 9. 6 and 9. Wow, this is beautiful. I do see harmony is already there. Spiritually, you are very connected to this person. Love is coming your way, and you need to stay in the vibration of love, Gemini. I also feel you will have choices. See, accelerated motion. I feel some of you are dealing with a soulmate and a twin flame in 2021. So there are some lessons and some choices. Accelerated motion, your love life is picking pace, friends. Yes, you will have to make some quick decisions. So make sure to study well right now, or think about what you really want or who you really want in love. Power, the strength card. Your relationships are very strong, friends. If you are in a marriage, it is very strong. Nothing will happen to it. You will become more closer in love. If you are single, you might end up marrying this person. So there is going to be a lot of positivity in your love life. Just stay focused on happiness and harmony. Let us see your work and career and education, Gemini. Wow, 7 of Wands, the Magician. See, you're manifesting a lot, Gemini. The World, the 3 of Wands, and the Page of Cups. You're not happy, friends, currently. You want to go somewhere else. You are manifesting something new. I see you want to travel, or you want to change your location, or you feel like your work is more in some other country or city. I think you will have to work a little hard this year to finish your goals or to achieve your goals, even though you are quite bold and successful. But still, you will have to push a little this year in your work and career, especially like if you are going for an interview. Work harder, be more bold, be more expressive and communicative. If you are going for an exams, prepare well, friends, prepare extra hard because I see competition is high, Gemini, so prepare well. I also see that your job and career will see expansion, money will expand. I also see you will learn something new, or you will travel somewhere new, or relocate, so that is also on your mind. It will happen. You're gaining a lot of knowledge, you're gaining a lot of knowledge. The world, I see that some of you will get start farming, organic farming, or will connect more with earth, like through works like solar energy or something. You start working, like maybe you are in education, so you'll start working with plants or teaching about botany, or there is something about connecting with earth, with through music or through teaching, or working with animals. So there is a lot of global areas you are looking for work, and work is coming from a lot of global areas. You are trying to manifest also. Yes, so your manifestations will be extremely lucky this year, but you will have to keep working hard. If you are just manifesting like, hey, I should become a millionaire this year, it is good, it is working, but you still need to work, right? You still need to put in your efforts. And if you are a student, be ready to learn a lot of new things because your life is going to expand. If you are a teenager, I definitely see you getting some scholarships from abroad, from some other universities, or some internships. And this is something which will excite you. This is something you are manifesting, like you are trying to get yourself into best colleges or universities. It will happen. So, congratulations, a lot of progress is there, but there is also competition. So, keep working. Gemini, you need to work also. No, without hard work, there is no real gain. That's how. Let's see some advice. Third eye chakra. See, your intuition is very high. You will be getting a lot of signs about your career, about your money and education. So keep your eyes open. I also see you will be connecting with crystals, or yoga, all those areas, healing. You will learn these things. I see you doing something related to earth, like farming, agricultural, botany, physics, energy. All these areas are very important for you. Spiritual strength, look at that. Yeah, you might feel a little stressed about your work, like you don't know what to do, because there might be some wait before things work out in your career or your money sector or education. So you need to trust your intuition. You can count on your intuition, Gemini. Rejoice in celebration. Three of Cups. Yay, celebrations are going to happen. Stay happy about your work, friends. I think you will have some choice in work and career to be happy or to get frustrated or worry. So instead of worrying, be happy, friends. That is the advice. And patience, look at that. Yeah, you have to. Initially, there will be some patience, friends. The first half of the year is a bit slow, then it will pick up pace for you. So be patient. What you are manifesting or working on, it is going to happen for you. Number 14 is important. Let's see your charms, Gemini. Oh, Gemini, how the year 2021 will be. Wow, you see number one on the dice, friends. Number one is important. Your luck is shining, friends. I also feel number one could be like January is important, or 1 year from now, your life will be absolutely brilliant and fantastic. All your wishes are going to come true. You will be at a much, much better place. Have, like, yeah, it reminds me of have. Yeah, you will have everything you need, or you want or desire. Your alphabets are HAV, the number one on the dice. There is number 10. See, 10 is also lucky. October might be lucky for you. Number 10 could be a birth date. Number 23, yeah, I think some of you are 23 years old or dealing with someone whose birth date is 23. Red bead, passion. You're very, very passionate about your Work and career. I also sorry friends, I also see this as someone feeling a lot of passion for you in your love life. Let's see what else. Hello, I'm cuter than you. Yeah, so someone new is coming your way, which are very happy, which a new person, a friendship or soulmate, which are very cute, which will make you laugh. This person, they are cute, they are happy, and they like to make you laugh. You will enjoy with them. I don't forget to save. Yeah, I do feel save some money, even though money worries will heal. Money is coming, but it is nice to save some money and not overspend. Lord Ganesha, it is a very protected year for you. You are very safe from all types of harms, and you might buy some vehicles, I feel, this year. Or see, you have two Lord Ganesha. Oh my god. So I think one is for your love life and one is for your finances or education. My god, you are super blessed. I do see some of you are going to buy a vehicle or an automobile. Your finances are going to increase by leaps and bounds. So congratulations. And look at that, this lion, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important for you. Ship, yes, some of you are going to travel or you are waiting for news from abroad, maybe from a lover, or maybe you will find or meet someone or marry someone who lives abroad. So that is there. Pineapple, reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning back. I see you will find a very good connection this year, which will bring prosperity in your life. King of Wands, it could be an Aries, Leo, Sag person. Six of Air, your life is getting better. Four of Wands, marriage, twin flames. Wow, Geminis. This is beautiful. Four of Wands, happiness is coming. Six of Cup, love is coming, friends. I feel like old friendships, old friends are also going to reunite. Prince of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is important. Father, I do see some of you are going to step into your father's shoes. Like you are going to handle your father's responsibilities and you're going to do a much better job. Like, taking care of the finances of the house or responsible, whether you're a man or a woman, it doesn't matter. I think you will. Father is important for you, your father of your in laws. I feel you are stepping into your father's role this year and you are going to do amazingly well. Karmic, I do feel there is two lovers for you coming. One is karmic, one is a twin flame, or one is a soulmate. November is important for some of you. Two of Wands, be very mature. Two of Airs, don't listen to confusions, friends, especially work related confusions. Don't listen to that worry or anxiety. Instead, try to remain patient because you are very lucky this year. So, Gemini, make sure to subscribe, Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye.